Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of First Period Math with Mr. Harrington. Okay, first thing we got to do is write two-step equations and then write the date. 11, 10, 21. Everything I write, you write. That's not good. 21. Boop. Okay. So, solving two-step equations. Why is it called two-step? Because you have two operations. You have multiplication, 11 times a number, and then you have addition, adding 3 equals 14. It is backwards, but that don't matter. Whoop! So, I always start on where the stuff is on the x. So the x is on this side, so I start getting rid of stuff on this side because it has an x. So what's the opposite of positive 3? Yeah, negative 3 or subtract 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 11x plus 0 is 11x. 14 minus 3 is? Yeah, 11. Opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide 11 on both sides. Oh, I got the same thing. 11 divided by 11 is 1. Like if I had a pizza, it was cut into 11 pieces. I had all 11. I had the whole pizza. Oh my goodness. 11 divided by 11 is 1. Is x right there. So x is 1. Let's check it. 14 equals 11 times 1 plus 3. Is that true? I got 1 for x. I'm plugging it in. 11 times 1 is 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 equals 14. I got it right. Same thing on the left and the right. That is an equivalent statement. Cool. All right, let's try number 2. Ooh. 3x minus 10 equals negative 1. Go ahead and try it on your own. What do you got? Go. All right. Whoop. The opposite of subtracting 10 is adding 10. That's how you eliminate it because negative 10 plus 10 is 0. 0 plus 3x is 3x. Ooh, what's negative 1 plus 10? Or what's 10 plus negative 1? When you add, doesn't matter the order. That would be, yeah, 9. If I have $10, I lose 1. I have 9 now. 3 times what is 9? Yeah, that would be 3. So sometimes you can just do it off the top of your head because you know the times tables, or you can divide by 3. Opposite of multiplication is division. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. So x is 3. Hopefully you got that. Let's check it. So that would be 3 times 3 minus 10 equals negative 1. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 10 equals negative 1. Oh, add the opposite. 9 plus negative 10. If I have $9, I owe 10. That means I'm now down 1. Yeah, got it. Nice. Cool. All right, a couple more. Try this. All right, here's where a bunch of people got stuck. Negative 2 plus 6x equals 16. Write that down. Okay, what do I do first? Well, the x is on this side, so this is the furthest away, so I got to get rid of this negative 2. So what's the opposite of negative 2? That would be adding 2. People get confused that this is a plus, but what I'm really trying to do is create a 0 here, because negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And that means that 6x plus 0 is just 6x. Anything plus 0, you're not adding anything to it, just keep it the same. Okay. So I added 2 here. I forgot to add 2 here. You balance the equation. 16 plus 2 is, yeah, 18. 6 times what is 18? Or 18 divided by 6 is 3. Got it. Let's make sure we got 3. Negative 2 plus 6 times 3, does that equal 16? I don't know. Negative 2, 6 times 3 is 18. Sorry, not plus, equals 16. So this would be 16 equals 16. If I had 18 plus negative 2, I go to the left. 16 is 16. Got it. Nice job. All right, last one. Your turn. 3 plus 6x equals 45. Go ahead and try and solve it on your own. Ready, set, go. Whoop. All right. Opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. Because 3 minus 3 is 0. If I put plus 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. I don't want 6 here. I want 0 here because I can get rid of this. 45 minus 3 is 42. Because 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus nothing in the tens place is 4. 6x plus 0 is 6x equals 42. 6 times what is 42? Yes, 7. 3 plus check time. 3 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. 3 plus 42, 45 equals 45. 42 plus 3 or 3 plus 42 is 45 equals 40. Yeah, got it. Nice job. All right, keep crushing that Khan Academy. Good job, everybody.